Every time I put it back, press it back to the tip. See, baby.
So, hey, Keisha, y'all cooking out today?
No.
What y'all cooking?
DB ain't got no damn money.
I'm gonna try to go to my house. I'm hot.
DB ain't got no money.
Or look on the side of my MPV.
He bring a face pen or something. Straight pen.
So it didn't shoot out.
It's paint. It's working. Just you put this on there. Get them shots on there.
So you won't put the new one on there?
Yeah.
So what?
The new
no, that don't have nothing to do with it. This right here, with the black thing.
It ain't going through.
Mm-hmm.
It ain't going through. You're gonna have to do something.
You ready to paint right now?
I told you this shit wasn't gonna work anyway.
DB.
It's right there on the table, I thought.
Yeah. You got a pen in me? I'm just putting off this week. Give my sock right there.
Oh, right here. Yeah.
Give me a sock right there by your feet right there.
And what about this little
sock?
Right there in that piece of paper. That sock, man. I put it on my damn knees, man. I put my hair up, man. The change on the damn the shop.
You need to go back.
You and Ratchet one about to come and say that bullshit. Y'all suck. You ain't no big fuck.
Look at this food.
Oh shit, so I was dating with that motherfucker. I'm gonna start buying them bitches. When I work in the winter.
Damn. DB.
What?
I need a pen, man.
What kind of pen?
A straight pen or a safety pen? She ain't bring you one. On time is always late.
On time. It's never. On time. So what you need a generator for?
That's the fucking air compressor. You probably gonna run that shit through there.
Cooking out for people. Because I be in the motherfucking heat, and she be in the house. A cookout.
Oh, you get some fireworks?
No, you did?
Hell yeah, I got some fireworks. I thought we was going to get something together and shit. We could have got twice as much. I only got I got 4 big ones and some sparklers for the kids.
She some bullshit, man. I got the real shit. In South Carolina.
You ain't got nothing from South Carolina, man.
I got the real shit. Am I lying?
Yeah, you lied.
He lying.
You always get the real shit.
Did he get the real shit though?
The real shit.
He got the real shit. Your shit flopping ass. Bring your shit over here to you.
They got John Bull ballpark. I got the same shit.
Well, let's go on the damn.
I don't buy no bullshit. I'm a damn baller. You ever seen a baller with some bullshit?
Hell no, I ain't never seen no baller no bullshit.
We usually have to strap together with you. We ain't gonna have this shit.
You bring your shit over here?
Real shit.
Alright, show me what real shit look like, cause I don't know.
Damn right.
Let's see how, show me how the paint spread was first.
I'm scared of it. Every time I hold it up, he gets scared.
Turn it back for you.
Huh?
You mean turn it back for you?
Wait a minute. I shouldn't have the clip on the screen. Let's get the top up. I already know. Give me some line, sir.
Hold on. It might damn be tangled up somewhere. There you go. There you go.
The shit ain't coming out right.
turn it all the way up?
It's all the way up. Turn the brake all the way up, yeah. Got one.